Hello, I'm Dr. Vacuum and welcome back to my laboratory today. Today we're going to talk about picking up heavy products. We have a wide range of examples here to pick up using our different vacuum pumps. Let's take a look at some of the examples I have to pick today. The first example is a bowling ball. It has a very good radius on it, which means we need to use a bellows cup, which gets 20 inches of mercury. This weighs 10 pounds. You can see it's not too difficult to pick up. We're now going to pick up this flat surface, non-porous granite slab. Weighs about 20 pounds. Now we're going to go to some more interesting examples. Here we have a landscaping block, very porous. This weighs about 30 pounds. You can see I can still have no problem picking it up. So I'm going to change cups to a flat cup, a little bigger diameter, give me a little bit more holding force. It also has cleats to prevent anything from sliding. Again, I have a landscaping block here. This weighs about 40 pounds. Thank God I got this frame. And now the final challenge is to pick them all up at one time. We have the heavy block, the secondary block, we got the granite slate, we got the landscaping block, we got the bowling ball, and we got the slab of aluminum. I challenge you to send me any of your products and I'll show you I can pick it up with vacuum.